When God created man and woman, he was thinking that who shall I give the power to give birth to the next human being? And he chose woman. And this is the biggest evidence that women are powerful. A very warm greeting to the viewers. I am Mohit Sen and today I will be sharing my views on a very crucial subject that is being discussed everywhere, girls versus boys. Does it really matters? Girls and women suffer most of the negative impact of the rigid gender norms and roles. They are more likely to experience restrictions on their freedom and mobility. They experience epidemic levels of violence and harassment across the globe and have fewer opportunities to choose how to live their lives. But boys men suffer too. Ideas about what it means to be a man force boys and men to behave in a very limited ways which can harm them. Negative masculinities encouraged in boys serves to perpetuate the cycle of discrimination and inequality. Women empowerment is the key to strengthen the participation in decision making, which is the most important key to the socio-economic development. There is a cultural and family pressure on women which acts as the main issue to the gender equality. The women have a lot of pressure from parents, society, and they forced to be the man, caregiver and caretaker of all family members. Such pressure in the society and home lowers down the career ambitions of women than men. But if you'll ask me, I will say that girls are better than boys. They are hard workers, mature individuals, more aware than boys, has dreamed of being hardworking in just something most females are. They worked hard to keep something encouraged and also engaged. For example, my mom has always better than only to school me for having an organized room, not for my father. Lastly, I would like to wind up here with the famous lines of Coretta Scott King that if woman, the soul of the nation, is to be saved, then you must believe and become its soul. Thank you.